Hello and welcome back to Kids Coding Playground. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a gravity script in Scratch so you can apply this to your platformer games or any game that requires any gravity physics. So I've been actually using this script forever now, like for all my platformers and all my projects I've been using this gravity script. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to do it in Scratch. So I'm going to show you how it works. When you click the play button, as you can see, the Scratch Cat's going to fall. Uh, if you see, it's gonna fall, hit the ground right here, and then it's gonna stop. So you see the gravity. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna show you guys how to do today. We're gonna make a gravity script. It's pretty simple. All right, without further ado, let's start a new project. So file new, start a new project. So it's just gravity, I guess. Gravity physics. Okay, so yeah, we can keep the scratch cat for this one. We're gonna make another sprite. We're just get the paint. So we're just gonna make a floor for the scratch cat to fall on top of. So I don't know. Let's just do a box. Let's put it down here. It doesn't really matter to be honest. Just something like that. Yeah, that'll work. Yep. Okay. All right. Yeah. So let's just rename it to ground. Okay. So we have our scratch cat and ground. So first, let's get when green flag clicked. When green flag clicked. Let's set the x and y position of the cat to the center, 0, 0. 0, comma 0. We're going to make a variable. Let's make a variable. We're going to name it y velocity. Okay, y velocity. Okay, so we're going to set our variable y velocity to 0 in the beginning. All right. And then we're going to get forever loop. Forever, we're going to change y velocity by -1. Change y velocity by -1. And we're going to change the y. So we're in motion, change y by y velocity. So the y velocity is going to control how the cat goes up and down. Okay, and then next we're going to get an if statement. If if the scratch cat is touching the ground sprite, so this is where we want to make it push the scratch cat back up. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the multiplication. We're going to say change y. We're going to say change y by y velocity times -1. And we're doing that because multiplying two negative numbers, the y velocity is going to be negative. So multiplying two negative numbers makes a positive number. So it's going to push the sprite slightly back up. And then after that, we're going to have to set the y velocity to 0, so then it stays there. All right, so we're going to say change y by y velocity times -1. So it's going to push it up again slightly. So y velocity is going to drop here. And then we're going to say set y velocity to 0. So if we play it now, you can see the variable y velocity. As you can see, it will it's for like a split second. Maybe I'll slow down the clip for you guys so you can see. For a split second, it's going to go positive because you multiply it by -1, and then we set it to 0, and then it's going to stay there, as you see. So yeah, that's literally how you make the gravity sprite, just like that. And what we could do is we can make a custom block. So I'm assuming in your platform games, you're gonna have to reuse the code a lot. So we can do this, and yeah, you can just call the function your custom block. Do that. Yeah. So let's set the y position to like 150. As you can see, it doesn't matter how high you drop it from. It's just gonna boom, touch the ground, and then it's gonna push it slightly back up with the multiplying by -1, and then set it back to 0. Yeah, so that's pretty much how you make the gravity script in Scratch. So yeah, you can use this super simple script for all your platformer games or whatever games you might need for with gravity physics. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kids Coding Playground, and I'll see you guys in the next video.